Look no further, you have found the perfect home in Northwoods. This 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home with a beautiful floor plan has many features. As you walk into this home you will enter into a large living area, dining room, welcoming you to a large kitchen with its own breakfast bar. This kitchen offers a large eating space with a nice outside view. The master suite offers its own private space with a walk-in closet and full master bath. All bedrooms are carpeted. Northwoods offer a community pool, tennis court, and playground. Thank you for stopping by.